Hello everybody, it's Tony, Division 9 Collaborative, third in a series of tabletop videos. This one is for glass, and as you see, the table has a mix of different glass products. I'm going to talk about a percentage of them, but not all of them. Anyway, I'm going to start with a very unique material. It's called glass brick. We work with a company from Canada called Interstyle. And actually quite a few of the collections are from the same factory, but it's a solid brick, basically 100% recycled glass. Actually comes in two colors and shown both here. You see also in the body of the glass the little imperfections and the little voids where the gases escape during the process. You can think of these in the same way as the classic old glass blocks, so they can be used in the same way. They can be used for exterior. They basically can be stacked as a brick, so you could use them, and obviously they're great for transferring of light. They come polished and finished on one side, but if you're doing an installation where you need to see the other side, they can be also polished on the reverse side, and very interesting applications. Can be used for exterior, can be freestanding walls, could be used for hot tubs, fireplace pit, or even a fireplace, and anywhere you want to transmit light and have some perspective through the glass, it could work in a good environment. So these are glass bricks, and then I'm going to move to a new collection which is part of our brand, our other division, which is low art tile, and these we call lolly. They're these beautiful, vivid penny rounds. They come in a gloss version and also a matte version. Lots of examples on the table. They're very vibrant, and you can use the matte for floor, the glossy for wall, so you can do subtle combinations. And it's part of the low art tile brand, and there are 12 colors, most of which are represented here. And as you can see also, I'll show you the green. So the matte you can use for exterior, the matte glaze. These are for walls, so you can use these indoor and outdoor. And very playful, you could use them around a swimming pool, could be used in interior in a shower. And obviously you can also play with the grout colors, and makes for a really fun installation. Another item that's part of our low art tile brand is a collection called Domino, shown here. So here, a mix of the dominoes mixed in at random with the field tile that we call blanks, and you can purchase separately the blanks that come as a full sheet, or you can pre-mix the percentage of the dominoes, or you can buy the dominoes separately and make your own sort of installed pattern if you wanted to sort of play the game in a graphic way. These are color backed, so the color is on the back, so you get this lovely depth, just like you would with a real domino effect. And you can do some really interesting applications. It's basically a vertical material, not something you would use for floor. And just to show you an example here, we did a fun version with a vivid blue grout, so the dominoes really pop out of the matrix of the glass body. And then also a newly developed technique really for glass, because most of these are what you've seen so far are back painted. In the series we refer to as basho, we do have color backed glass, but also an application of glaze on the surface, so you get this 3D effect in the glass, and you get all this extra depth. So on the one hand, you're seeing the back of the glass, the color, and then the applied version on the top half, so you get this sort of positive and negative result. And interestingly enough, in the design of it, we didn't go corner to corner, so you can see it starts here and ends there. So you can create some very interesting potential effects using different combinations. These are actually well represented on our website, a lot of different pattern combinations. And this is also manufactured by Interstyle in Canada, and we like to use domestic materials. They do use a lot of recycled glass content, and so here's another example. It's even stronger with the blue and the green. It is customizable to a degree, and also we have certain colors that are very subtle. If you really want more subtle, this is single color surface, and then back painted to create a very different subtle approach to the glass. These would be for vertical use, not something you'd want to use on the floor. All of the items that you see are available on our website. We do have samples in the showroom. We're happy to have you come and visit the showroom at any time. And we can send samples on request. So anything you're interested in, we're happy to forward along to you. Thanks.